Welcome to this video on Introduction to Target Audience Analysis. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify the significance of target audience analysis. You will also be able to differentiate between digital and traditional audience targeting. In addition, you will explore the key factors that need to be considered for creating a digital audience persona. Finally, you will describe the process of creating a digital audience persona. Consider a scenario in which a travel agency is traditionally relying on TV and print ads to reach a broad audience and struggling to get profitable returns from its marketing efforts. The agency faces various challenges, such as difficulty in identifying potential customers genuinely interested in their services, limited ability to track who is engaging with the ads, high cost of broad-reaching ads, and difficulty in measuring return on investment or ROI. By switching to digital audience targeting, the agency can run personalized campaigns based on customer interest and behaviors such as past booking history. This approach can help boost higher engagement, increased conversions, and better ROI when compared with traditional methods. Running targeted digital campaigns for different customer segments rather than a broad approach helps in several ways. It helps achieve better engagement, higher ROI, improved conversion rates, and provide valuable data-driven insights. Personalized messaging increases relevance, and targeting the right audience reduces wasted ad spend. Also, reaching users who are genuinely interested leads to more sales. Additionally, digital platforms offer real-time feedback on audience behavior, enabling marketers to adjust campaigns on the fly. Let's understand the basic differences between digital and traditional audience targeting. First, digital audience targeting is data-driven, while traditional audience targeting is broad. Traditional marketing uses TV, radio, and print ads, which reach a broad audience without knowing who is truly interested. In contrast, digital marketing uses data such as search history, interests, and behavior tracking to target specific users. Next, digital targeting offers real-time insights into audience behavior, whereas measuring audience engagement in traditional targeting is challenging. Traditional marketing relies on estimates and surveys to measure success. Digital marketing, however, provides instant data on clicks, conversions, and engagement. While traditional marketing delivers the same message to everyone, digital marketing allows brands to hyper-personalize their campaign by adapting messages based on user interests, location, and behavior. Now that you are familiar with the advantages offered by digital audience targeting, let's understand the concept of digital audience personas. In the digital landscape, given the abundance of data points available, creating a digital audience persona is critical for ensuring your campaigns are precisely targeted at the right audience. Developing a digital audience persona helps in several ways. First, it enables better content creation by allowing you to craft messages that resonate with specific groups. It also enhances ad targeting, ensuring your campaigns reach the right users. Additionally, a well-defined digital persona leads to stronger customer engagement by addressing the unique needs and pain points of your audience. While developing any go-to-market plan, marketers often develop an ideal customer profile, or ICP, which is a representation of the ideal customer persona. The key data factors for identifying the right digital audience persona include demographics, psychographics, behavioral data, and geographic location. Let's look at each of these factors in detail. Demographics define who the audience is by focusing on attributes such as gender, age, income, education, occupation, or job titles. For example, a luxury car brand targets high-income professionals aged 40 to 55, particularly CXOs in mid-sized organizations. Another key factor is psychographics that focus on defining the audience's interests, values, personality, and lifestyle choices. A vegan food brand, for instance, targets health-conscious, eco-friendly customers instead of just focusing on age or gender. The next factor, behavioral data, examines what users do online and how they access the online medium, such as which devices and operating systems they use, what are their browsing habits, purchase history, and engagement levels. For example, an e-commerce store may retarget users who added items to their cart but didn't complete the checkout. The last key factor to be considered is data related to geographic location that identifies where the audience lives or works, such as country, state, city, or zip code. For instance, a winter clothing brand might target users in cold regions rather than tropical climates. Having learned the significance and advantages, let's understand the process of creating a digital audience persona. To build an effective digital audience persona, marketers should follow a three-step process. The first step involves collecting data. Marketers should use tools such as Google Analytics and social media insights to analyze audience behavior. They should focus on analyzing customer demographics, location, and engagement patterns. In addition, conducting surveys and interviews helps in getting direct insights from users. The second step focuses on identifying audience segments where users are grouped based on factors such as age, interests, shopping habits, and engagement levels. It's important to separate the first-time visitors from repeat buyers. Depending on the findings, create multiple personas, such as creating separate personas for budget shoppers and premium customers. The last step is defining key persona details. This involves creating a fictional identity using a name and background for easy reference. This step also includes identifying goals, pain points, and challenges, as well as defining preferred digital channels where they spend most of their time online. Here is a sample persona. Notice how clearly it identifies details related to name and background, personal interests, preferred digital platforms, and buying behavior. Once the personas are created, you can apply them to your brand marketing strategy as needed and track performance metrics to refine them over time. In this video, you learned that digital audience targeting helps boost higher engagement, increased conversions, and better ROI when compared to traditional methods. While traditional audience targeting is broad and delivers the same message to everyone, digital audience targeting is data-driven and offers real-time insights into audience behavior. The key data factors for identifying the right digital audience persona includes demographics, psychographics, behavioral data, and geographic location. To build an effective digital audience persona, marketers follow a three-step process. These steps are collecting data, identifying audience segments, and defining key persona details.